If you use Google Chrome every day, knowing how to open the Chrome menu can save you time every single session. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to open it, plus a few things you can do once the menu is open. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's cover the easiest method, using your mouse. Open Google Chrome on your computer and look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots icon. This is the Chrome menu button. Go ahead and click those 3 dots once, and the Chrome menu will open instantly. From here, you'll see a list of useful options. You can open your history to view websites you visited recently. You can click Downloads to check the files you've downloaded. You can also open extensions if you want to manage add-ons installed in Chrome. If you want to change browser preferences, click Settings. And if you need a more private browsing session, you can select New Incognito window to open a private browsing mode. Now let's look at the keyboard shortcut method, which is perfect if you want to move faster. On a Windows computer, simply press Alt plus F on your keyboard. That will open the Chrome menu without needing to use your mouse at all. This is especially helpful if you prefer shortcuts or want a quicker way to access Chrome settings and tools. Once the menu is open, you can also check whether Chrome needs an update. If an update is available, you'll usually see an update option in the menu. Keeping Chrome updated helps improve performance, security, and compatibility with websites and extensions. So just to recap, if you want to open the Chrome menu, you can either click the 3 dots in the top right corner or use Alt plus F on Windows for a faster keyboard shortcut. Both methods work great, so you can choose whichever feels easiest for you. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.